Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to access IRS online services so you can manage your tax information easily from home. First, open your browser and go to the official IRS website to avoid any fake pages. Next, click on the Sign In option for individual online account, or select Create Account if you are a new user. After that, enter your login details, such as username and password, or complete the identity verification process if you are signing up for the first time. Once logged in, you will see different online services like viewing your tax records, checking refund status, and making payments. You can also update personal information and download tax transcripts if needed. Make sure your identity is fully verified to unlock all features. Finally, navigate through the dashboard carefully, and you will have full access to IRS online services anytime you need. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.